Hello everyone, my name is Glauco Pires and welcome to the Unity audio course. Audio sometimes is a topic that people don't pay much attention in the beginning, but that's not a very smart move because audio is going to change the entire perception of your game that the players are going to have. So with just a few minutes, a little bit above an hour of work of learning how audio works in Unity, you can add so much impact into the player's experience, into the entire gameplay, because you're going to make things look real just by changing settings. Instead of having sound being two-dimensional with the same volume, we can make sounds three-dimensional, so it's stronger as you go near the source or weaker as you go away. You can even apply the Doppler effect in this truck that you see here, and that effect, it's like an ambulance. If you are walking in the street and an ambulance passes very close to you, you can hear how the pitch changes, and it really makes you, creates that immersive experience in this game. So it even gets beautiful just by adding these little details. So I've been working with games since 2010, and throughout my entire career, I've worked with different technologies, different features, different libraries. But it's important to say that I work a lot with Unity, and I also work with HTML5 games, with Unreal Engine, with C++ games. I work with C#, JavaScript. So I have a big experience that I've acquired in these years, and I'm going to get the best bits of this experience so you can learn how to work with Unity Audio in this course. We're going to see things step by step. We're going to build this environment, we're going to walk in this environment, and hear how sounds are working. So I'm now going to go through a quick gameplay so you can see what is going to be the final outcome of this course. So you see just a few settings and we have, I don't know, more than 10 different audio features, over 10 properties that you can change and apply some nice effects, okay? So I hope you're excited to start this, and I see you in the next lesson.